MECH is a mobile operation. It's a workshop that is movable. So we move from place to place to fix vehicles and machines. We go to people's houses to repair their vehicles. Usually thinking that if we have to move it to the workshop, they would pay storage fees and all this to cover up for the total cost of the maintenance. So we either fix their vehicles at home, or if necessary to move down to a yard, we bring it down to the yard and do major repairs. Currently we utilize, if there is a workplace, we pick up a job up at a site or someplace, then we go by bus. So we're currently working on a vehicle. So we either go by bus, and if we have parts to pick up, we go by taxis and find other vehicles, hire other vehicles to do the transportation. It's taken us almost 6 months as of this year. We did a couple of work last year, 2021. We stopped somewhere around September, and then we continued this year around February. Been kicking till now, July. The services we provide are the services for machines and vehicles. As the name suggests, as the name stated, Lae MECH is a short form of a mechanical engineer. So you can contact us. We can come to your yard or bring your vehicle or machine down to a yard. We are engaged in vehicles maintenance, mechanical maintenance and electrical maintenance, engine rebuilds, and for mechanical engineering, as a mechanical engineer, we do hydro water setup, hydropower plant, HVAC systems, heating, ventilation and air conditioning, installations, genset installations for big industrial companies, ships, engine blocks, sleeves, repairs, remove and reinstall. So we're currently trying to bring clients along that trend of work. With the current trend that we are going through, I'm trying to employ young people, especially those with technical backgrounds. It's quite challenging to bring them in and see those who haven't been up with the skills of whatever they've studied along in mechanical or electrical trades. They have to build it up and move the company from there. So I'm currently thinking of raising new mechanical engineers, electrical. Together we can make a difference. I believe in working as a team. My message to young people and people who want to be engaged in doing business as an entrepreneur is to utilize the skill that you have and to be consistent. I believe consistency is the way forward, and for us as small businessmen to move in this whatever field that you are talented in, it's better we keep consistent, keep with the pace. It doesn't matter if we move like a snail. It's much better to make progress than to be in a standstill position. So if you want to get in touch with us, you can call us on our mobile phone number 72509015, WhatsApp us, contact us on our Facebook page, or email dialamec43@gmail.com. That's our email address.